Hi, this is Takano. Today the video diary, February 25th. Now I am standing in Gyotoku Yacho Koen. Would you like to see today's Kawazu Zakura is full blossoms. Kawazu Zakura is full blossoms, yeah. Okay, today I would like to explain to on East-West discussion group. Yeah. I will stop within 10 minutes. Yeah. 10 minutes. Yeah. To speak so much, it's too boresome for you, or maybe some person will irritating to me. Today I would like to explain on East-West discussion group. Yes. East, West discussion group, yeah. EWDG. That is the English speaking society in Waseda. Yeah. I am a chairman of that group. I have been appointed about 15 years ago as a chairman, and until now I have been playing a role of a chairman of that group. Yeah. Today I would like to explain on that society of English speaking, and later I would like to ask you to join us. Yeah, join us, and to see the system of our group. Yeah, if possible, please join us. East-West discussion group has been developed about 67 years ago. Yeah. Number 2 person in GHQ about 10 years ago. In Japan there has been GHQ. Of course, you know the top of GHQ was Douglas MacArthur. At that time, Japan has been defeated in the fight of America, World War II, and in Japan there has been GHQ, General Headquarters of America, General Headquarters of America. Yeah. And there has been very nice person under Douglas MacArthur. He was the number 2 person in GHQ, and he has a very nice wife. His wife was a founder of East-West discussion group. Yeah, the objective to have developed this society, East-West discussion group, was to escape from misunderstanding with Japan and mainly America. Until then, Japan has been so much misunderstanding between each countries. In order to escape such a misunderstanding, yeah, country to country, that society has been developed so that publicly every person should be having contact and discussion each other, yeah, to exchange the American mind and the Japanese mind and the Japanese society and the Japanese culture, and we should study the American culture, so that, yeah, we should be in a friend, should keep our friendship between each other countries, so that society has been operated in order to do that. Okay, I will explain to you that the system of that society. Every foreigner and student fee is only 500 yen, 500 yen. And the general Kama, we ask to pay only 700 yen, 700 yen only. every time about 10 or 15 people has get together. Yeah. Half of that are foreigners, mainly the American or people from United Kingdom or European or ASEAN people. Oh, they are coming dark. Okay. Okay. And every time we have 1 hour keynote speaking. Yeah. Before 3 weeks before, we select 3 persons who will have a keynote publishing, keynote presentation. And after having a 1 hour presentation, we will start question and answer hour, and final 30 minutes we will have a free discussion, yeah, in English. Yeah. And the venue is in Waseda. If you will drop in the Tozai line in Waseda station, you can see the small mountains. In Japanese, it's Waseda no Mori. The top of Waseda no Mori, there's a very nice venue, Waseda Hoshien. Yeah, Waseda Hoshien. The founder was a Christian people. Yeah. Waseda Hoshien is very beautiful, very nice venue. And I rented that area every Saturday evening from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 2 hours. After finishing our speaking in English and our speaking hours, after that we will have about 1 hour drinking and eating opportunity in a near restaurant. Remaining time about 3 minutes, I will limit this presentation only 10 minutes because every listener will be boresome, or listener sometimes will become irritating, so that please forgive me to continue more than 2.5 hours, 2.5 minutes. Yeah. Finally, I would like to explain to you the serious problem this time. Our English society becomes attendants age is very elder, more than 60 or 70 years old. Yeah, 老人ばっかり、おばさんばっかり. So that I would like you to come, mainly the young people, students or junior high school students, okay. The English level, speaking level is no problem. Yeah. If you will join us, yeah, a couple of years, for example, 2 or 3 years, you will become a very nice speaker. Yeah. Very important to study English, to study the English conversation, is to have an opportunity to direct speaking with foreigners, American or English people. Direct speaking, face to face, that is very important. Without having such opportunity, we don't become a nice speaker of English. In order to be a native speaker, very important is not to go to the speaking or English conversation schools. Yeah. Besides, going to English conversation school is okay, but if you will come to our group, I promise you, you will become a nice speaker, nice native speaker in a couple of years. My name is Fumio Takano, a chairman of East-West Discussion Group. I hope you will join us and speak out happily and enjoyable time, shall we have. Thank you very much. This is Takano, chairman of East-West Discussion Group. Okay, finally, I will show you again the Kawazu Zakura in Gyotoku. This area is within 10 minutes riding on bike. This is my bike. periodically I came here because this area is very favorite for me. In my pastime, periodically I came here. Would you like to see the Kawazu Zakura? This time full blossom. And this yellow plant, very nice. Natane, maybe. Natane. Thank you very much for your listening to me. This is February 25th video presentation. Thank you very much. See you again. Goodbye. 谢谢。